Hey there everyone, welcome to Tech Basis, and on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to play Spotify on your Discord. So let's get started. Now the first thing that you want to do is go join a voice channel on your Discord. Once you join your voice channel, you should see Share Your Screen button here. Just click on it, and here a list of my screens are shown. So I'll just click on Spotify, and I won't change anything from here, and I'll just click on Go Live. Now you can see Discord is streaming my Spotify. Now to play the song, just go back to your Spotify app and just play a song. I'm just gonna put in mute so I don't face any copyright issues. Now I'll just play the song and go back to Discord. And it's that easy to play Spotify on your Discord too. If you face any confusion, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. And don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.